Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's great to have you here today. I've got something pretty exciting to talk about, especially if you're looking to break into the world of local marketing, affiliate marketing, or e-commerce. If you're tired of the typical grind and want to explore a more efficient way to build a business from the comfort of your own home, this might be just the opportunity you've been waiting for. Today I want to dive into something that could really change the way you think about online business. It's called the Local Newsletter Launch Blueprint, created by Chad Nicely and his wife. Now, before you start thinking that this is just another generic how to start a newsletter guide, let me tell you, it's way more than that. This is a step-by-step system that shows you how to build a local newsletter business that can generate serious revenue, without the need for writing hundreds of articles or even sourcing content yourself. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around, because I'm going to break down exactly how this works. So Chad and his wife have been running this very successful business around local newsletters. They live in Las Vegas and have built multiple six-figure businesses by leveraging a very powerful tool, AI. What's unique about their approach is that they don't actually write the content for their newsletters themselves. They don't have to go out and source news or write articles about local events either. Instead, they've been using an AI tool to automate almost the entire process. All they do is select the local area they want to promote, run the software, and let the AI generate the newsletter. That's it. It sounds simple, right? But don't let that simplicity fool you. There's a lot more going on behind the scenes, and that's what they're going to show you in this workshop. Chad and his wife are hosting a live event where they'll walk you through their exact blueprint for creating and launching your own local newsletter. They'll explain how they've been able to create newsletters that generate significant revenue with minimal effort. They're going to reveal the tools, strategies, and techniques they've used to turn these newsletters into full-fledged businesses, and it's all scalable. What's really great about this is that local newsletters are one of the easiest ways to establish yourself as an authority in your community. Think about it. When you're the person behind the local newsletter, you become the go-to source for news, events, and updates in your area. People start to trust you, they respect your opinions, and that's when the money starts rolling in. This is where it gets interesting. When you're trusted by your local audience, local businesses and brands want to work with you. You've essentially become a local celebrity. If you're an affiliate marketer, this is a goldmine. You can use your local newsletter to promote affiliate products tailored to your area. Or if you're a local agency marketer, you can leverage your newsletter to help small businesses in your area grow. E-commerce entrepreneurs also benefit, as they can use the newsletter to promote their products to a targeted local audience. The possibilities are endless. Now, if you're thinking that this might be a bit out of your comfort zone, don't worry. Chad and his wife break everything down in a way that makes it easy to understand and apply. In fact, this workshop is perfect for anyone, even if you don't have a ton of experience with marketing or newsletters. You don't need to be tech-savvy either, because remember, the AI tool does most of the heavy lifting. All you need is the right guidance, and that's exactly what you get with the Local Newsletter Launch Blueprint. This workshop is live, but if you can't attend or you're watching this after the live session, you don't have to miss out. You'll still be able to access the recordings and learn at your own pace. Plus, there's a special discount if you sign up through the link in the description, so it's a no-brainer. For less than $10, you get access to a live workshop that could potentially change the way you look at online business forever. I know some of you are probably wondering, how does this all work, and how much effort is involved in getting started? Well, it's surprisingly low effort considering the potential return. The whole point of this system is to make things as automated as possible, so you don't have to worry about spending hours each week writing content or finding news stories. You're using AI to take care of that for you. All you need to focus on is picking a local area to target and building an audience. From there, the system pretty much runs itself. I highly recommend checking out the Local Newsletter Launch Blueprint if you're looking to get into local marketing or just want to find a new way to make money online. This is an opportunity to tap into a proven system that's already working for others, and with the tools and resources provided, you'll be set up for success. Plus, with the special discount, it's practically risk-free. So, if you're ready to take the leap and start building your own local newsletter empire, don't wait. Click the link below to join the workshop, or grab the recordings if you're watching this after the live event. Either way, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and as always, feel free to drop a comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.